Hello, this is OtakuSolutions. In this video, I'll explain a feature called Smart Switch. To ensure compatibility with other tools, FastRef provides the Namespace Activate and Unpack features. Let's see them in action. If we turn Unpack on, the nodes that were packaged inside FastRef are unpacked and exposed at the scene level. And if we turn Namespace off, you can see that the namespace prefix attached to the nodes completely disappears. In our previous version, reference replacement was managed very strictly, if even a single namespace was turned off. Replacement was blocked, and a warning dialog would appear. While I recommend working with namespace on, some internal tools require you to work with namespaces turned off. In those pipelines, managing this manually can be quite tedious. But if you don't manage namespaces and packaging properly, serious conflicts can occur during replacement. For example, other characters in the scene might get deleted. To solve this, we added a feature in the options menu called Smart Switch. If you check this option, it automatically handles everything. Before refreshing, it temporarily turns Namespace Activate on, performs the replacement, and then restores everything back to your original working state. That's why we named it Smart Switch. For now, let's leave this option unchecked. Even if it's unchecked, if you try to replace a reference, a prompt will appear. Previously, it simply blocked the action. But now, it asks if you'd like to use the Smart Switch replacement helper. This prompt will continue to appear as a safety measure. Let's select Yes to use it just this once. Once the replacement succeeds, it will restore our original state. I've clicked the second Mabel character to replace it. Let's proceed with the replacement. Please wait a moment. Since there's a lot more happening under the hood now, it may take slightly longer than before. Please bear with us. Please understand that it might take a bit longer than before. Now the replacement is complete, and we are back to our original state. As you can see, the namespaces are off, and the nodes remain unpacked. This allows you to focus on your work without worrying about the underlying reference states. Everything is working perfectly. The layers are also organized correctly. We hope you find this feature useful in your pipeline. This has been OtakuSolutions. Thank you.